Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, U.S. Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. Well, in today's video, we will be talking about Visa Bulletin predictions for August 2024. The U.S. Visa Bulletin serves as a vital compass for millions of individuals navigating the complexities of the U.S. immigration system issued monthly by the Department of State. It provides crucial updates on the availability of immigrant visas across various categories and countries. These videos are indispensable for applicants, offering insights into their potential waiting times based on the type of visa petition and their country of origin. If you are interested in this, so to get all the information, pay attention and watch the video through to the end. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Comprehensive video to Visa Bulletin predictions and green card waiting times. For millions of individuals waiting in the employment-based and family-based categories, the U.S. Visa Bulletin offers a crucial window into their future. The Visa Bulletin provides monthly updates on the availability of immigrant visas, giving applicants an idea of when they might be able to apply for and obtain green cards. This comprehensive guide will delve into the intricacies of the Visa Bulletin, the categories it covers, and the predictions for future movements in green card availability. The Visa Bulletin. The Visa Bulletin, issued monthly by the U.S. Department of State, outlines the availability of immigrant visas, green cards. For various categories and countries, it is divided into family-based and employment-based and employment-based and employment-based preference categories, each with its own set of priorities and quotas. The Bulletin helps applicants understand their place in line and estimate their waiting time. Final action dates. The dates when visas may finally be issued. Priority dates. The dates when applicants first filed their petitions. Retrogression. When the final action dates move backward, extending the waiting period. July 2024 Visa Bulletin. Key insights. The July 2024 Visa Bulletin reveals significant backlogs in both family-based and employment-based categories. The availability of green cards in these categories varies depending on the petition type and the applicant's country of birth. The following sections will detail the predictions for family-based and employment-based categories for August 2024. Family-based categories. Visa Bulletin predictions for August 2024. The family-based categories are divided into several preference levels, each with its own quota and waiting period. The following predictions are based on recent movements and should not be considered legal advice. F1. Unmarried adult sons, daughters of U.S. citizens. Mexico, 2-3 months. Philippines, little or no forward movement. All other countries, 1-2 months. F2A. Spouses, minor, unmarried sons, daughters of LPRS, lawful permanent residents. Mexico, little or no forward movement. All other countries, little or no forward movement. F2B. Unmarried adult sons, daughters of LPs. Mexico, little or no forward movement. Philippines, little or no forward movement. All other countries, 2-4 weeks. F3. Married adult sons, daughters of U.S. citizens. Mexico, 2-3 months. Philippines, 1-2 months. All other countries, 2-4 weeks. F4. Brothers, sisters of U.S. citizens. Mexico, little or no forward movement. India, little or no forward movement. Philippines, 3-6 weeks. All other countries, little or no forward movement. Numerical limits for family-based preference categories. F1, 23,400 plus any unused numbers from the fourth preference. F2, 114,200 plus the number, if any, by which the worldwide family preference level exceeds 226,000 plus any unused first preference numbers. F2A, 77s of the overall second preference limitation, with 75 exempt from the per-country limit. F2B23 of the overall second preference limitation. F3, 23,400 plus any unused numbers from the first and second preferences. F4, 65,000 plus any unused numbers from the first three preferences. Employment-based categories. Visa Bulletin predictions for August 2024. The employment-based categories are similarly divided into several preference levels, each with its own quotas and waiting periods. High demand in certain categories may result in retrogression, affecting the waiting times for green cards. EB1, priority workers. India, 2-4 months. China, 1-2 months. All other countries remain current. EB2, members of the professions holding advanced degrees or persons of exceptional ability. India, little or no forward movement. China, little or no forward movement. All other countries, possible retrogression. EB3, professionals and skilled workers. India, little or no forward movement. China, little or no forward movement. All other countries, retrogression. Numerical limits for employment-based preference categories. EB1, 28.6 of the worldwide employment-based preference level, plus any unused numbers from the fourth and fifth preferences. ED2, 28.6 of the worldwide employment-based preference level, plus any unused numbers from the first preference. EB3, 28.6 of the worldwide level, plus any unused numbers from the first and second preferences, with a maximum of 10,000 for other workers. EB4, 7.1 of the worldwide level. EB5, 7.1 of the worldwide level, with 32 reserved for specific investments, rural areas, high unemployment areas, and infrastructure projects, and 60-80 unreserved for all other qualified immigrants. The seventh per-country cap. U.S. immigration law imposes a limit on how many immigrants from any particular country can receive green cards in a given year. No country can receive more than 7 of the total number of family-based and employment-based preference visas annually. However, there are no per-country limits for immediate relatives of U.S. citizens. Impact of per-country caps. The numerical caps and per-country limits lead to significant waiting periods for certain categories and countries. For example, U.S. citizens sponsoring their siblings face a wait of over 15 years for most parts of the world, but this extends to 20 years for siblings from the Philippines and more than 22 years for those from Mexico. Challenges for family. Millions of people are waiting abroad for family-sponsored green cards, while hundreds of thousands await employment-sponsored green cards, many of whom reside in the U.S. on temporary working visas. These long waits can result in families being separated, particularly when children of temporary visa holders age out of eligibility, losing their lawful status and facing potential separation from their families. Conclusion. Navigating the complexities of the U.S. immigration system can be challenging, particularly with the intricate details and waiting periods outlined in the Visa Bulletin. Understanding the predictions and numerical limits for family-based and employment-based categories is essential for anyone waiting for a green card. While the process may be long and arduous, staying informed and prepared can help applicants manage their expectations and plan for the future. By keeping abreast of monthly updates and predictions, individuals can better understand their place in the line and anticipate any changes that may impact their green card applications. While the waiting periods can be frustrating, knowing the factors that influence these timelines can provide some clarity and help applicants navigate the system more effectively. Navigating the Visa Bulletin and its predictions underscores the challenges and aspirations within the U.S. immigration landscape, with significant backlogs and varying wait times across family-based and employment-based categories. Applicants face a landscape shaped by numerical limits and per-country caps. Staying informed through resources like the Visa Bulletin empowers applicants to make informed decisions and plan their immigration journey strategically as they navigate these complexities. Staying abreast of updates remains essential for those awaiting green cards, ensuring they can effectively plan and manage their expectations throughout the immigration process. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully, the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel US Immigration News. We hope you are doing great. Well, in today's video, we will be talking about visa bulletin predictions for August 2024. The US Visa Bulletin, released monthly by the Department of State, provides critical updates on immigrant visa availability across various categories and countries. These updates are crucial for millions of applicants seeking green cards, as they outline waiting times based on petition type and country of birth. As of the July 2024 Visa Bulletin, significant backlogs are evident in both family-based and employment-based categories. Predictions for August 2024 indicate varying wait times across family-based categories. For instance, unmarried adult sons and daughters of US citizens F1 face waits of 2 to 3 months for Mexico, with little movement for the Philippines and 1 to 2 months for other countries. Meanwhile, spouses and minor unmarried children of lawful permanent residents F2A are experiencing minimal movement across all countries, similar to unmarried adult sons and daughters of lawful permanent residents F2B, except for a 2 to 4 week wait in other countries. Married adult sons and daughters of US citizens F3 can expect waits of 2 to 3 months for Mexico, 1 to 2 months for the Philippines, and 2 to 4 weeks for other countries. Brothers and sisters of US citizens F4 face little movement across Mexico, India, and other countries, except for a 3 to 6 week wait in the Philippines. In the employment-based categories, significant demand may cause retrogression, thereby extending waiting periods. Priority workers EB1 from India are anticipated to wait 2 to 4 months, with 1 to 2 months for China, while all other countries remain current. Advanced degree holders or those with exceptional abilities EB2 from India and China may see little to no movement, possibly facing retrogression in other countries. Similarly, professionals and skilled workers EB3 from India and China may experience little advancement, with potential retrogression for other countries. Numerical limits and a 7% per country cap under US immigration law contribute to prolonged waits, particularly affecting applicants from certain countries more than others. Understanding these dynamics is essential for applicants navigating the immigration process, allowing them to manage expectations and plan accordingly. Staying updated with the Visa Bulletin through subscriptions or regular State Department checks is crucial for informed decision-making and strategic immigration planning. Thank you so much.